Racing just is started. We have Mamika break quickly at a start punchline. Moving up on the outside, mind that wind. Mega Red in the middle portion now is Westerly Wind. Zimponi Galo di Arlo. Then comes Magisterium. While Billionaria is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Mind That Wind by about 4 lengths. Mamika is right behind in second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Punchline. Mega Red now moving up to take fourth. Then comes Westerly Wind. Zimponi Galo di Arlo. Magisterium second last, while Billionario is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Mind That Wind by about 3 lengths. Trying to get closer in second is Mamika. Punchline comes next. Mega Red, Westerly Wind, Symphony, Gallery, Arlo, Magisterium, and Billionaria is still racing in lengths. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Mind That Wind is still in control by our link and a half. And on the outside now is Mega Red threatening danger. We have Mega Red now takes command. Down on the inside, Mamika. Westerly Wind is on the outside, but it's still Mega Red. And finally it's Mega Red. The second is Westerly Wind. Then comes Mamika, Mind That Wind, Magisterium, and
I had that feeling.